Hi guys, welcome to new technique. Today's video is going to be very interesting and useful for you. So watch the full video if you want to learn this technique. If someone grab your hands from the behind and lock your both arms, then how to defend yourself. If he is your not enemy and he is your friend or you are not hurt to him, then you will do this technique. So let's start the technique. If anybody grab your both arms and lock your both arms in this position, then here, step number one, bend your body front side like this way, bend your knees. Now keep your leg back on his knees. Now when you lift your body up, you can see his elbow joint can be break and he feel pain too much and his grip will be loosened. And immediately remove your hand from him and grab his neck like this way. Now he is fully under your control. Guys, now we'll show you this technique from the front side so you can understand better. Yes, grab. Step number one, bend. Step 2, close with the body. Step 3, up, throw and lock. Guys, now I'll show you this technique in real, how it works or not. Yes. Guys, many people comment that the technique can be like this, it is useless. But we tell you different techniques for every kind of situation, for every kind of person, whether he is your friend or your enemy. In some cases, you can harm him. In some cases, you can control him. So guys, if you want to learn more interesting videos like this, then subscribe our channel and share with your friends and press the bell icon. Thank you.